When you think about the future, what's the one thing that comes to mind? For most of us, it's our loved ones, the people we want to protect, even when we're not around. That's where life insurance comes in. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about purchasing life insurance for your family with real life examples to help you connect the dots. Let's make sense of it together. Hi friends, I'm Ummi and I'm here to help you understand the ins and outs of life insurance, why it matters, what your options are, and how to choose the best plan for your unique family situation. Let's get started. Life insurance is more than just a policy. It's a safety net for those who depend on you. It ensures that in the event of your passing, your loved ones have the financial security they need to carry on. Take Sarah, for example. She's a single mom of 2 kids. If something were to happen to her, she wants to be sure her kids can stay in their home, finish their education, and have a stable future. Life insurance gives her peace of mind knowing they will be cared for, no matter what. Life insurance comes in 2 main forms: permanent and term. Let me break them down for you. Permanent life insurance basically includes policies like whole life and universal life. It lasts your entire life as long as you pay the premiums, and you can even have an investment component called the cash value. Take for example, Kevin, who owns a business and plans to pass it down to his children. He uses a permanent life insurance policy to ensure the business can continue running smoothly and pay any estate taxes without financial strain on his family. Term life insurance, on the other hand, is a coverage for a specific period, 10, 20, or even 30 years. It's usually more affordable but doesn't build cash value. Example is Maria. Let's take Maria for example. A young professional with a mortgage and a toddler, and she opts for a 20-year term policy to cover her mortgage and her child's needs until they're old enough to be financially independent. In 20 years, Maria's toddler would have started her own life and capable of supporting herself. Maria has likely built a nest egg for herself. Therefore, she is not worried about leaving her child stranded. Deciding between these 2 policies depends on your goals and financial situation. Permanent insurance is ideal for long-term planning, while term insurance is perfect for short-term needs. It's really important to note that permanent life insurance usually have a much higher premium than a term life insurance. Now let's talk about the big question. How much coverage do you need? It really depends on your situation. Here are 3 questions to ask yourself. Number 1, do I have dependents who rely on my income? Number 2, do I need to cover a mortgage or other debts that I have? And then number 3, will my family need to pay estate taxes or keep a business running when I'm gone? Here's another example. John has a stay-at-home spouse and 3 kids. He calculates the cost of their living, their expenses, the mortgage expense, the college tuition for the kids, and he decides on $1 million term policy to cover these needs based on the different numbers. Before meeting with an insurance agent, make sure you write out your numbers and ask your agent to help you figure out what's right for you. Here's a tip. Stay away from insurance agents that are pushing you to buy one product over another. That's an indication that they don't really have your best interest at heart. And basically, they're looking to make as much money on commission as possible. Here's another tip. Most people, especially young families, only need a term policy. Permanent policy is very expensive and doesn't make sense for most people. So do not overpay for coverage that you don't need. Let's bust a few common myths about life insurance. Myth number 1, I'm too young to need life insurance. Actually, the younger and healthier you are, the cheaper it is. So buy it now. Myth number 2, it's too expensive. Term policies can cost less than your monthly streaming subscription. So it's less than Netflix, okay? Myth number 3, I don't need life insurance because I'm single. If you have debts or family members who depend on you, it's actually still worth considering. Life insurance might seem complicated, but with the right guidance, you can protect what matters most to you, your family's future. If you found this video helpful, then you will definitely enjoy one of my other videos linked on the screen. Watch it and let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on financial planning and family security. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next Friday.